Thanks. Tonight, the federal government is expanding the availability of the antiviral medication for COVID-19, nearly doubling the locations across the country. But some Metro Atlanta pharmacies say their supply is just sitting on their shelves. CBS 46's Megan Packer is live in Dunwoody to explain why this is happening. You would think those would be put to good use.
Right, Tracy, and it really depended on who we spoke with today and where we went on what we found. Here at Dunwoody Pharmacy, they are staying pretty busy filling prescriptions for the COVID antiviral medications, but that is not the case everywhere we went. Chapman Drug Company in Hapeville has seen a lot in its 100 years. Today, there are a few signs of the times. The soda fountain closed.
Yeah, we've closed that since COVID, and now it's about getting employees.
And plenty of COVID-19 medication to go around.
We have gotten more than we can use.
Third-generation owner Derek Chapman says his was one of the first pharmacies in the area to receive antiviral pills months ago. Pfizer's Paxlovid and Merck's Molnupiravir.
We've only dispensed, I think, since we started this, 5 or 6 patients. So there just really hasn't been much demand for it.
Shipments are coming in and piling up, but the prescriptions from doctors just aren't. Paxlovid has been shown to reduce hospitalizations or death in people with COVID by 90%.
I think it's partially that it's not needed that much, honestly, because we're more vaccinated, the Omicron variant's gone away. The other problem is I think the system is slightly broken in that where you have to go to the physician, get the prescription, call it into a certain pharmacy.
This is the other one that it comes in?
At Dunwoody Pharmacy, Joanne Filipov says they've dispensed nearly 30 prescriptions in 2 months.
So that's one of the first things we did is actually we spent the first week or so reaching out to anyone that we knew, like local providers, primary health physicians, urgent cares, letting them know that we had this in stock, and I think that's what's made a difference.
I'm hoping there'll be a mechanism to return these or send them somewhere that can be used.
Now, about 20,000 locations in the U.S. have the COVID antiviral medication right now, but the White House did announce plans this week to significantly increase that and expand it to more locations. One thing the pharmacist I spoke with today said would be really helpful, in their opinion, is an increase in the test to treat locations where patients can go in one-stop shop, get tested for COVID, and if they're positive, get that prescription right then and there. We are live in Dunwoody. I'm Megan Packer, CBS 46 News.
That would be helpful, Megan.